Welcome to Diego's World.
Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If this is the first time, consider subscribing. Today I'm going to be showing you how to earn free Bitcoin in 1 second. First of all, you click on the Chrome browser. Once you click on the Chrome browser, then you type in Fuset Crypto. After that, then you wait for it to load a little bit. When loading, okay. Okay, it shows the dashboard. Then you just go to sign up. If you've not signed up, you can see the place where it's written your name, your email address, your password, and your enter password. You can confirm it. You can see more things about it. How is it? You can see the withdrawal. Here you can withdraw Bitcoin, Litecoin, Dogecoin, and all of that. You can see how it is. Okay, then scroll down again, click the three dash. Then I've already logged in, so I've already created account, so I just gotta go to my dashboard, click on my dashboard. After clicking on my dashboard, it will take me direct to my dashboard. I've already created all these guys need to do is to sign up. Okay, now there's a ready to claim. I have to click on the claim. Once I click on the claim, I have to claim my Fuset Crypto every 24 minutes. They're always giving me free claim. Okay, you can see loading capture. Yes, it's counting 8. Okay, 2, 1. Yeah, just click on the get reward and you get your crypto. That's it. After it loads, oh, internet correct and network, all the signals. Okay, you can see, yes, you also see my 10 experience and my 29 coins have been added. You can see my Bitcoin and my coins I got here. Then I just got to go click on my BTC ads. Once I click on the ads, it loads. You can see their ads there and their rewards. You just stay for the first ad you see. You gotta stay there for 40 seconds and it's going to give you some coins. Wow, 40 seconds is gonna give you like 51 coins. Isn't that amazing? Wow, then just go scroll down, then wait for it to count. Okay, it's counting. Once it counts, there are a lot of ads in this website. That is a problem. Okay, after that, yeah, click on the get reward. Once you click on the get reward, it loads and takes you to the ads. Okay, after that, you can see it's loading. You just got to wait for 40 seconds. It's counting it 40 seconds. You can see. Okay, it's loading. Okay, that's it. It's loading. After it loads, then you gotta click on the continue button. It's already up there. Okay, I think it's gonna be done for 3, 2, and 1. Then click on the continue. Yeah, you see. Once you click, you just go back. No. Yeah. You can see. I just got my experience and my coins. You can see my coins have been added to my Bitcoin, and glad to see the short links. Even short links also give you coins. The more you have coins, the more your Bitcoin increases. That's what Fuset Crypto always gives. You can see, you can click on the get links and everything. Then you're gonna be giving you. Once you click on the short link, I can show you. Look at my withdrawal. Then once you have everything, then just click on your withdrawal. Once your coins is above 500 coins, you just withdraw. How do you see that? That is amazing. Wow, that's amazing. Very amazing. You see, everything is okay. You see my coins after you withdraw. Okay, you want to this is how you withdraw. In any wallet you want to withdraw it to, you can see Bitcoin Cash is there, Bitcoin CV is there. Look at it. That is Bitcoin. This one is Bitcoin Cash. This one is Bitcoin CV. You can see mine is low. Okay, this one is filled up. It's low, empty. If you want to withdraw, just click on that blue button you see there, and boom, you have to withdraw. You see, there are more wallets you want to withdraw it to. There are there plenty of them. Nice how it is. Full Crypto is the best, and I've withdrawn a lot of time. And you see me next time.